Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to upload documents on DeepSeek app. So if you have any document and you would like to get info regarding it, I'll show you how easily you can get it using DeepSeek. So first you have to simply open its app, and once the app gets open, you will see the plus icon there which is on the right bottom. You have to click onto this plus icon and then three options will appear. From these options, you have to click on to this document option, and from your mobile phone, you have to simply upload the document that you would like to upload, and the document will be there. Now, if you would like to ask any question regarding this one, or maybe if you want any sort of summary or anything related to this document, you can just simply write it there, and after that, you have to just simply send it. This process will just take a while, and after that it will answer to what you have asked, and whatever is included into that PDF or whatever document you have selected. So that's how you can upload documents on DeepSeek app. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.